Hi guys, I'm Zach from Nerdworks Media. Please forgive me if this is a little bit of an awkward video. I haven't done vlogging in a while. I've done more just filming stuff. Anyway, moving past that. I assume most of you are here for the headlight update, so let me give that quickly. As you can see here from this bracket, I've actually gotten the brackets laser cut and made to pretty much exactly how they're going to be. The holes and the welds are all neat and nice on this one. Unfortunately, which is why there's been a small delay as well, besides the website making this all delayed. This bracket, when we measured my brackets to get new ones cut, this was a centimeter too big. Now a centimeter doesn't sound like too much, but when you're fiddling with such finite small little micro measurements, it's a big amount and it screws up everything. So we've already gotten new ones. They're busy being made now. I'll assume they're going to be ready by the end of this week. I'm filming this on Wednesday. So yeah, there we go. Just as an update on that front, why the headlights are having a slight delay. Past that, then obviously the website, I would like the website to be up. Website should be good soon though, so it's kind of just up to the brackets and if there's any more delays on that front. Anyway, that was it for news on the headlights. There might be other things later in the thing, but that was one of the more important messages I wanted to get out. Now onto the proper purpose of this video, which is a photo shoot vlog. Wow! So I just wanted to get some promotional pictures for the website, and in order to do that I had to remove all the vinyl from my car so that, you know, I don't have angry eyes, because as much as I love the angry eyes, I know that's not how I'm like selling the product. I'm selling the product with full halos and blah blah blah, so I need to show that on the website. And I didn't really have many very good pictures of my car without the halos, without the angry eyes on. So I had to very quickly remove all of those. Time lapse of that now. Anyway, so as you can see now, the anchor eyes are off and all the vinyls removed from my car, including the top sticker. That is because I'm getting a Nerdworks Media sticker there instead of the Nerdy Knifer sticker. If you guys have been with the channel for a super duper long time, you know that I used to be a Nerdy Knifer because, well, to be honest with you, I used to be Nerdy Knifer because that was the original plan. Sorry, I want to go stand in the shade, it's really hot. The original plan for my YouTube channel was to be a gaming channel of like just random ass games, I guess. But I since changed when I got a really nice car and I felt like filming it. So yeah, I'm getting a Nerdworks Media sticker there instead. I may do proper windscreen banners and other things. For right now I'm just doing small little stickers because those are easy to deal with. But yeah, there we go. I'll catch you guys up when I'm actually going to go do the photo shoot. Today I just needed to take off the vinyl. I'm probably going to wash my car because it's kind of dirty, especially now because I used a dirty cloth to just put some water on the stickers. So I'm going to wash my car quick and then I'll catch you guys up when it's closer to sunset for the pictures. Alright Alright guys, well, as you can see, we've gotten to the location. We've got a start of what seems to be a very pretty sunset on the way. So yeah, basically again, what I said earlier in the episode, I believe, is the point of this is just to get promotional pictures for the headlights. Oh gosh, I should probably point you this way so you can actually see me. It's just to get promotional pictures for my website for the headlights. Past that, it's just a general photoshoot vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna get some nice pictures now of my car and then the headlights. I'm probably gonna try get of the headlights first, just in case, I don't know, something happens and I have to leave, because those are the most important pictures. And then I'll try get pictures of just everything. So yeah, I'll catch you guys up after pictures. Yeah, enjoy the cinematic. Alright, and there we go. That's pretty much all the pictures that I needed and everything. Don't know what else to say. I'm in love with my car. I think it looks brilliant. So a lot of people have been commenting recently, or saying to me personally, whatever, that they love the red roof. I'm going to be honest, personally I think it makes the car not necessarily look ricey or bad, but it makes it look unclean. Whilst I think a pure white car with the black details of the lips and the spoilers and headlights and such, and the stripes, I think that would look, English please, that would look a lot cleaner. Especially with the un-angry-eyed headlights. We will soon find out, because Callum's gonna put a set on his car. I'm actually gonna get them tomorrow, I think, his lights. Just the lights, the frames come another day. But anyway. But yeah, we've got the really clean Miata that's gonna get my headlights. And then they should be going on sale soon. I did put a poll kind of thing on Instagram to ask, what do you guys want to ask about my headlights? So I'll quickly read the comments of that. From Nick, can your lights cause spontaneous euphoria? Nick, I'm dyslexic and you're trying to make me read these big words. No, Nick, my headlights cannot cause anything. When will my superb lights go on sale? Probably very soon. I don't want to give another set date because I feel like I've disappointed enough people already by saying that it was going to come out at the end of last month, beginning of this month. And I know we're only 5 days into this month, but still. So I feel bad because it didn't, because the delay for the headlights and then the frames that I explained earlier. So still very soon, but I don't want to give a set date just yet, just in case there's another screw up with the next set of frames that we get done. Because to be honest with you, when I got these done, I thought, oh yeah, 100% they're done, 110 billion, 1,000%. But they weren't. Obviously the official laser cut ones are being weird. I don't know why, but they are. So I have to check, pretty much. There was a loaner driver over there. They're trying their best. They're doing alright. So yeah, there we go. That's everything you guys need to know. That's the pictures done. I think this is probably going to land up being quite a short vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be me at Callum shop, I guess, if I have to think about it. Or there might be another video in between that and then Callum shop. I don't know. Anyway, enjoy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and a subscription. That would be mighty fine. Also leave a comment and tell me how to improve or what else I can do. And yeah, see you guys in the next episode.